So, we're gonna bathe this little poor kitten here. He's very sad and abused. Not really, but there he goes. He's gonna smell like rosemary when we're done.
Yes, I need it'd be better if I didn't have a glass.
Mm-hmm.
Poor little chicken.
He's never had a bath. He looks so scared.
Sorry, T. Sorry, T.
Oh my gosh. His eyes are so wide. Poor T.
Oh, that's too cold now. Wish I had a flea comb. He's really pretty good. He's really a very good kitty.
He is.
Okay. Turn that down. I know. I know your mama is just abusing you. Wish I had a flea comb to use on them. I guess I should have thought of that before. How am I going to rinse you off? How am I going to rinse you, T? How am I going to rinse the kitty? I'm so sorry.
He's being so good.
He's really being good. He just can't quite understand why he's being so abused. Poor kitten.
I remember when we tried to give Snickers a bath, he'd always try to jump out.
Yeah. Well, he's trying. He just is just like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe him. You're just like such a good.
The Snickers was so fat that it was hard to keep him in.
Probably feels really good for the kitten. I know. Probably feels good, huh?
Smells good.
He's gonna be a rosemary kitten. I don't know how I'm gonna have to shower him off. He's a good kitten.
Or you could just fill the cup with water from the faucet thing.
Such a good kitten. Yeah, I just really wish I knew if I was getting off any of the free eggs. It's gotta be doing something though, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's gotta be doing something. Probably shouldn't take too much longer, huh, T? Probably shouldn't take too much longer, huh? No, I won't drown you. Don't worry.
Oh my gosh.
I know. That's the part that's scaring him. Oh, is that it's too warm.
Oh, he's standing there on his
What a
own.
good kitten.
Good boy, T.
That's too cold. Shoot. You beautiful. You are so good. So good, Tea.
He's being better than that 3-year-old girl you were talking about.
I know, isn't he? I know. I know. You're probably so cold.
He's just looking at me like, seriously? You're just sitting there letting her do this to me?
I know.
Our kitten's gonna get some treats after this. Because he's being such a good boy.
He's being so good. I kind of got to shower you underneath, though, Tea. I kind of got to shower you underneath. A little warm. What a good kitty letting you do your belly.
The poor kitten.
Decently rinsed, huh?
Mm-hmm.
He's having a shower. He had a shower. All right, best I can do, Tea. I know. Such a very good tea.
And we have successfully bathed the black cat, who is now very cold and is now going to get a lot of treats.